Hello Colies, so I've just come down to the park, do a bit of video and maybe get the drone to follow me along the beach a little bit. So that's me, meet the Australian sailor. So this little memorial park for the Navy. So not a bad place to set my drone off and try me tracking, cruise control, all that sort of stuff along the beach. So yeah, lovely afternoon. Mum and Kelly's at home watching Kelly's homemade vlogs, and also I'd come for a, don't like the sound of that, a million parrots coming from somewhere. They're putting out, there was a million as well. Hang on. I don't know if you can see them. There are a million parrots there. And a load more going with them. It's like the birds. Now I'm worried about taking my drone out. We'll never take it, is it? That's what I did the other day. I go out to the water. Bloody parrots. Coming this way, see if they bugger off. Noisy buggers. Whoop. Wow. What a bloody birds. I saw white parrots, millions, thousands of them. Ooh! Heading straight towards me. Bloody hell. See what they reckon they're a pest. There's absolutely thousands of them. Horrible things. So I must admit now, I'm a bit worried I'd take my drone out because I've got a funny feeling they might attack you. They're all in those trees down there. Bloody hundreds. Well, that's now frightened me taking my drone out, I must admit. Oh, it's a bloody thing. So those parrots have settled on the grass there. Bloody hundreds of them. They are a pest. They get on people's roof and rip the aerials off and the gutter in, and bloody hundreds of them. And they'd also attack my flipping drone. Quite scary when they're flying at you. Bloody things. Drive you nuts. And can't take my drone out because the buggers will attack it. So that's not funny. Beautiful day down here though. Well, after that little bad experience down the beach trying to get some, or down Rockingham, trying to do a bit of drone footage, decided to come to Point Peron. I was going to walk on the beach, a few people sunbathing, so I better not send me drone off while people are sunbathing. So I'll go back up the other way and go along the path and see if I can set the drone up to follow me. So I just come down to Point Peron. There's a beach there, there's a couple of people sunbathing, so like I said, but not send me drone off. So I'm going to go back, find the path, and do a bit of training. Should put my little speaker a bit windy. Have to make sure I bring Kelly next time. She enjoys her little walks. So I'll see if I can set up maybe here. Right, off on my little walk. Don't know if you can hear, but I've got my train tracking me, so see how it comes out. Keep it on the screen every so often, just automatic tracking. So yeah, just get up around Point Peron for a little walk. Right, so I'll go up over the hill, might go to the end, mess around with the drone, and then make my way back. So that's where I come last week with little Jackson. So just messing around with a little drone. Just decided to do some poor knackered up walking up that hill. Put the drone above me and do a bit of tracking. Poor old drone's up there, a little bit windy, but he's following me all right. Where is he? He's up and there. Jumping all over the place, checking on the drone, he's not going to hit nothing. Bit of a panic merchant, trying to deal with his new stuff. So there's a Garden Island across there, military base, and a little old gun. And I'm still being followed by the old little old drone. I'll carry on.
Never ever chance to take us down. We try to turn our voice into a whisper. We're resting against time tonight. Together hold their armies and summon their allies to scream.
did start getting a little bit hairy with the it's quite windy here, so I was chased out by parrots down at Rockingham beachfront, and now I was put off a little bit by the wind, so I think I'll start making my way back up over the hill, far away. Okay, see how I went. I think I was a little bit embarrassed with all the people around because I'm not 100% sure of all the settings and things. But make sure I'm not sure of all the settings and things, and when there's people around you get a bit sort of nervous. I think people are sort of waiting for the crash, and I was too, but never mind. Right, I think I'll walk round this way on the way back. That's my little walk done, so if I can get a place on the wall I might do a little hyperlapse and then head home. God, I've got to do this more often. Put on too much weight. Again, chocolate, no beer, just chocolate, lots of it. Never mind. Nice little walk on the way back. Not down a couple of hills. Sun on its way down. Might do a time lapse, see how I go on the other side. That was a nice walk. Would have been good to get the drone to follow me around the coastline, but I'm a little bit nervous when it's windy. And it is windy. That'd be a great time lapse shot, that's actually, but nowhere to sit here. There's a lovely walk around here, a few hills. Just not walking enough. I was walking in the morning, and now stopped a little bit. So I think I'll start up again. Lovely walk out this way.